Hey, what's up guys? I'm Lan here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Apple AirPods Pro. So I have both the Apple AirPods Pro original and also I have a replica. In my previous video, I have talked about this Apple AirPods Pro replica. So just today I have received the original Apple AirPods Pro. So I have, both the Apple AirPods Pro and Apple AirPods replica. So in this video, I'm gonna specifically talk about the main differences, what I was able to notice between these two. And these two, if you talk about the design and build quality overall, so these two are pretty much very similar. So this is going to be a very interesting and short video. I'll just try to make you understand if you are getting a replica or if you are getting the original AirPods Pro, how you can find out the differences, which one is the original one. Seeing the AirPods Pro replica and seeing the AirPods Pro original one, you should be able to understand which one is a clone and which one is the original. So we're going to talk about that, and let's just start the video. But before that, if you're new here on my channel, I would love to have you subscribed, and also if you like what I'm doing, then give this video a thumbs up. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So guys, here are the box for Apple AirPods Pro. So by taking a look at the box, you won't be able to find any such differences. The two boxes are exactly kind of similar. So this is how the box looks like. I tried finding the differences, but there are very subtle and minor differences, and probably you won't notice the differences. So in terms of the box and design, so it's exactly the same. So already I have taken out these two AirPods. So one is original and one is the replica one. So one thing I was able to notice that in terms of build and design, these exactly look similar. So in terms of hinges, this metal hinges exactly are of very good quality, even in the Apple AirPods Pro replica as well. So in terms of build and design, there are no changes, and probably in naked eyes you wouldn't be able to find the differences between these two if you're using the Apple AirPods Pro or the replica for the first time. So now talking about this build quality, so this is let me tell you that the minor difference I was able to find. So this writing over here, what it is mentioned is designed by Apple in California. So it is like kind of a light shade of writing that we have, and here it is a much darker shade of writing what we have on the replica one. So once you open this, these are exactly similar. Let me just open and show you. So this is how it opens, and I will just try to connect this with my iPhone XR, and we'll see how the AirPods are getting connected to the iPhone. So in terms of build and design, this exactly looks similar. So first let's do one thing. So right one is the replica one and left one is the original one. So first let's try to connect the replica one. So this is basically a replica. And also regarding the hinge quality, so there's a little and very minor difference. So if you just try to open and close the lid is not that of high quality. Let me unlock my iPhone. So as you can see, already I have given a separate name. Already I have given it AirPods Pro replica. So this AirPods is having also exactly the similar H1 chip. Because of this, you get the pop-up menu and this seamlessly connected. So the difference that you would be able to find, so once you take out this AirPods, so once you take out this AirPods, so you see that this you get a pop-up which says AirPods Pro replica connected. But the thing is that there are subtle issues with this AirPod Pro replica. So most of the times it shows that it is connected, but as you can see, I have taken these out and it's showing that it is not connected. So there is this one thing. Also, let me just try to connect this AirPods Pro replica. Let me see whether I can connect it or not. Alright guys, so the thing is that I'm not able to connect my AirPods Pro replica. So that's the major difference between the original product and the replica one. So sometimes it gets connected, sometimes it doesn't. And also here, once it gets connected, it doesn't give you the icon for the AirPods Pro. It always gives you the icon for the AirPods 2. So that's the major differences. Now let me just do one thing. Let me try to connect my AirPods Pro original product. So now guys, let me try to connect my Apple AirPods Pro. So as you can see, it shows already the AirPods Pro, and once this is connected, as you can see, let me just try to take this out, and once you take this out, it should be automatically connected. So let me just try to take it out. As you can see, I have taken this out and it gives me this Apple AirPods logo. So this is the proper logo, and also at the same time I get this noise cancellation thing and transparency mode, and also this active noise cancellation. So this is pretty much useful, and this works actually flawlessly. So this, with the help of this, would be able to notice the difference whether it's an original product or whether it's a replica that you're using. And apart from that, there are features like special audio and all, which works with few of the application. So I've used this Apple AirPods Pro, which is the original one, for a couple of hours now, and the sound quality is amazing. And just by plugging in the AirPods, you would be able to find out the differences, which one you using the Apple AirPods Pro replica, or are you using the Apple AirPods Pro original one. So there's this thing. And talking about the build quality, the build quality is top notch. Talking about the build quality, this Apple AirPods Pro, these are the original products, and by taking this in the hands, you can just feel the difference between the replica one and the original ones. So the speaker grills and the microphones are of top notch, and this play and pause functions and Hey Siri, all the function just works flawlessly. So if you want me to make a separate video which functions does work on the Apple AirPods Pro replica and which doesn't work, so let me know in the comment section below. In this video, I just tried to explain to you guys what are the basic and major differences between this replica and the original product. So as I've showed you in the video, the features like transparency mode, active noise cancellation mode, this doesn't work. There are changes in terms of UI as well. I hope you liked the video and you were able to notice the differences between the replica product and the original product. So if you are going for the replica product, so keep these things in mind, that which features will work and which features won't work. So I hope you like the short video. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy this video, and also do subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this. And with that being said, I will see you on my next video. Bye.